Evil Lemon Lime here, and I'm here to send a message for Cartoonz and Chainsaw409.
This one's broken.
Use that white one in the living room. All I have to say is Cartoonz and Chainsaw Pony. You may never know what's gonna come to you. Because the both of you are chickens to answer my responses. Especially you, Chainsaw. Cartoonz actually has the balls to respond back, and what do you have? No balls, because you don't know how to respond back to my responses. So if you think that you're going to play hide and seek and hide from me, Chainsaw, well, we can play that game, and I will find you and come for you. And so for your persona Blackheart, if he doesn't keep his fucking mouth shut, he's next. I'm only for Cartoonz and the regular persona Chainsaw Pony. So if you are going to hide Chainsaw, then I'm willing to play. And when I find you, then you're gonna be dead, and the only place you're gonna, and the only way you're gonna be dead, Chainsaw, if I find you in this hide-and-seek game, we do an Inferno match in a ring at WrestleMania 25 after mine and Cartoonz' rematch at WrestleMania 24. So Chainsaw, if you're willing to accept, then good. And if you're not, then you're just a big old chicken. Bark, 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 bark. And I see you around. Peace.